With so much information online, it can be tough to know what's factual and what's inaccurate or sensationalized. That's why you should always evaluate what you find online to confirm its reliability. First, determine if the website you're visiting is reliable. Trustworthy websites offer objective fact based on thorough research, but there are many other sites willing to share less reliable information. Always find out where an article or video got their information to ensure they're sticking to the truth. If an article makes a claim without mentioning the source of that claim, be skeptical. Next, always keep an eye out for bias, as a biased website may distort the truth in order to influence you. They may use emotional language, make broad generalizations and assumptions, or leave out key facts. To overcome bias, focus on the facts of an article, and then check multiple websites covering the same topic. While this process may seem time-consuming, getting different perspectives can shed new light on a subject, while helping you look beyond possible bias. In addition to external bias, you also need to watch out for your own. Confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out and favor information that reinforces your existing beliefs, and it can make it harder to look at a site objectively. To get over confirmation bias, ask questions to try and understand different viewpoints, and investigate the accuracy of all the information you consume, whether you agree with it or not. Comedy writing is all over the internet, so it's possible that an outlandish article could actually be a joke. Some sites, like The Onion, write humorous content based on current events, and at first glance, their stories can look authentic. However, if a story seems a little too wild, make sure it isn't trying to be funny. Finally, whenever you check multiple sources, also consider using fact-checking sites like PolitiFact, FactCheck, or Snopes. These sites specialize in researching current events and claims. Although these sites aren't perfect, they do provide reliable sources that you can investigate yourself. The internet is full of near limitless knowledge, but it's up to you to figure out what's reliable and what's not. Take your time when consuming information online, because truth is worth the effort.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.